In 2023, the tech world thought it had found the holy grail of software, a company that promised to build complex apps as easily as ordering a pizza. They called their AI Natasha. They claimed she could write 80% of a project's code in seconds. Investors like Microsoft and SoftBank were so convinced they handed over $450 million. But it's now 2026, and the pizza is cold. Builder.ai hasn't just failed, it has evaporated. In June 2025, the company filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy after its lead creditor, Viola Credit, seized its bank accounts. What was once a $1.5 billion unicorn was revealed to have less than $10 million in assets. Today, we're looking at the autopsy of the fake AI, a scandal that proves that in the AI gold rush, the biggest hallucination isn't the code, it's the accounting.
For years, Builder.ai, originally called Engineer.ai, marketed Natasha as a revolutionary neural network. But investigative reports from Bloomberg and the Wall Street Journal found a different reality. Behind the sleek dashboard wasn't a world-class AI. It was a factory of 700 human engineers in Gurgaon and Bangalore, India. Insiders revealed that when a customer prompted Natasha, the request didn't go to a GPU cluster. It went to a human project manager who assigned it to a manual dev team. The company called it human in the loop. Critics called it AI washing. They were selling a Tesla, but under the hood, there were just 4 guys on bicycles.
By 2025, the vibe coding dream hit a wall of cold, hard math. To keep the valuation high, Builder.ai allegedly engaged in a practice known as round-tripping. According to court filings, they were billing an Indian partner, Verse Innovation, for millions in licensing fees, while Verse billed them back for similar amounts. It was corporate theater. They claimed $220 million in revenue for 2024. The actual number? Barely $55 million, a 300% overstatement. When the new CEO, Manpreet Radia, took over in February 2025, he didn't find an AI powerhouse. He found a company owing $85 million to Amazon and $30 million to Microsoft for cloud services they couldn't pay for. The collapse wasn't just a loss for billionaires, it was a disaster for 1,500 employees who were suddenly locked out of their emails. It was a nightmare for thousands of small businesses whose apps, built on Builder.ai's proprietary stack, simply went dark. Because the code was managed by Builder.ai's hidden humans, the customers didn't own their source code. When the server shut down, the businesses died with them. Builder.ai is the ultimate cautionary tale for 2026. It proves that artificial intelligence is often used as a cloak for artificial revenue. In an era where everyone is a prompt engineer, the only thing harder than building an AI is building a business that actually works. If the AI sounds too good to be true, it's probably just 700 people in a room trying to keep the lights on. Want more autopsies of the tech world? Subscribe to the Black Box Report. Leave a comment below. Is AI washing the new subprime mortgage? Let's discuss.